Okay, now the problem here is now we actually and now we're growing right now. Let's actually check, does the slave trade has an effect on the minds of the victims? Okay, now the question here is you need to check yourself very well. Okay, if you're a man of color, you need to check yourself. Did the slave trade have did it have the slave trade have an effect? Does it have an effect on the minds of the victims? Okay, and the question here you should ask yourself, and the answer to it is yes. Okay, when the slave trade happened long time ago, it had an effect on the people who experienced it, and the effect was transferred from those people to the next generation. And some of the effects actually let's say, should I say, went down, but the other ones, first of all, were transferred over and over and over again. That is why you see certain kind of communities, they actually behave in certain ways. Have you ever asked yourself why they behave like that? Check back, look back into the slave trade, and you are going to be able to check if you juxtapose between what they are experiencing now and that of the slave trade environment or period, you understand some similarities. Okay, for instance, there are many stuff. Okay, we will talk about it on my channel. So what you just need to do right now, I just want to tell you, the question is there any effect? Yes, there are a ton of effects. Okay, the slave trade affected the mindset of the victims, and the victims transferred this mindset to their children and to their children's children. So there are actually effects of the mind there are actually effects on those who experience the slave trade. Now imagine you are being beaten, you are being beaten and victimized, you are being beaten and deprived of certain things. Isn't that going to change the way you perceive your environment? Isn't that going to change the way you perceive the world? Isn't that going to change the way you view the world? It will definitely do. That was what happened in the slave trade environment, or in the slave trade period. People who experienced slave trade were beaten, they were victimized, they were decimated, they were deprived of their rights. It definitely affected the way those people saw themselves. It definitely affected the way those people perceive the world. That is why you see certain communities, certain races, they don't care about the world. They behave in certain ways. If you trace it, you're gonna check. If you trace it back to the slave trade period, you understand similarity. You understand where the problem was actually coming from. Okay, so this is something big. Okay, I'm gonna be discussing it on my channel very soon. I want to break it down step by step. It affected humans. It affected the minds of the victims so much. It according to biology, environment causes variation. What is environment? Environment of your thoughts causes variation. So meaning, if those people were actually victimized and tortured, it definitely affected the way they think. And if it affected the way they think, meaning that is the reason for many things happening in the black community today. That's the simple truth. So stay connected, hit the subscribe button. When videos are out, you'll be notified. Bye.